Hi, I'm Jada Walker-Griggs with the Lexington Fayette Urban County Government's Division of Environmental Policy, and I'm here to talk about the Live Green Lexington Games alongside Joanna Isaacs and Elizabeth Mortensen of Bluegrass Pride. As citizens know, the Lexington Fayette Urban County Government works hard alongside our residents and community partners to make Lexington a greener place to live. The Live Green Lexington Games is the most recent example. This is a friendly competition for businesses and organizations which help protect the environment and at the same time saves participants money through waste, water, and energy reduction. In addition to saving money, participants receive public recognition for their efforts. They also receive no-cost training from Bluegrass Pride on how to identify and make improvements. This competition is being coordinated by the Division of Environmental Policy and Bluegrass Pride and is modeled loosely on the Chicago Green Office Challenge. Lexington is one of a dozen or so communities across the nation holding this type of competition.
I'm Joanna Isaacs with Bluegrass Pride, and I was one of the program managers that managed the Live Green Lexington Games last year. At the end of the games, I had the honor of awarding 11 different businesses here in Lexington with awards at the end of the competition, one of them being Ross Tarrant, which we're filming in today. The businesses that won the awards were recognized at the Commerce Lexington Business Link in September of last year, and also on Kentucky.com and Herald Leader. We wanted to make sure that the businesses that worked hard throughout the entire year and attended trainings were recognized for their hard work.
My name is Elizabeth Mortensen. I'm also a program manager for Bluegrass Pride. This year we're doing things a little bit differently for the Live Green Lexington Games. We got some feedback from participants about the scorecard, and so we decided to make some changes. This year it's gone to an all-online format. Participants will fill out the scorecard one time, less than 20 questions each for the water, waste, and energy sections. And that will also be used as a tool to help us assess how we can focus trainings to help the businesses do better.
One of the things that interested us about becoming Live Green Lexington partners and being a part of the games was really our desire to further knowledge about environmental sustainability, energy efficiency, all the kind of things that we work with school systems and higher ed. It was kind of interesting for us to take what we were already kind of doing in-house with our recycling policies and all this that was in place and really trying to improve on it as part of the Lexington Live Green Games. One of the things that we did was we really try to cut down our paper consumption. An architecture firm, we go through tons of paper, so we try to employ using double-sided printing, using paper that we've already printed on, printing on the back side of that to really cut down the amount that we used. Another unique thing that we did was we put timers on all of our coffee pots, and that allowed the coffee machines to turn off after work and at night, and so that cut down on the energy that was going to the coffee pots. So that meant that all the water that would be continuously heated using the burners, we didn't have to do that, and we actually ended up saving about $1,000 per coffee machine over the course of the year. And then probably the largest item that we did, we received a grant from the city to install a pervious concrete parking lot, and so that really drastically reduced the amount of stormwater sheet runoff that we had coming off of our parking lot going back into the city sewer system. So all of those measures combined, allowed us to be a little bit competitive within the games.
For more information on the Live Green Lexington Games, please contact Bluegrass Pride at 266-1572 or Environmental Policy at 425-2800.